Next, I'm going to set up a link to the Windows Services app, and in doing so, set up the Tool Startup menu group. Back on Windows, I have currently taken the liberty of getting rid of all the installation bloatware. So you might want to take some time to get rid of that before we do this. After doing that, you'll get a fairly streamlined Windows menu. So what we want to do is go down here and find Windows Administrative Tools. Now, I don't use Windows services in all of my courses, but sometimes I do. And so it's useful to have a services app readily accessible. So I'm going to expand this out and then scroll down until you find the item called Services. Right click on that item and simply click on Pin to Start. That will open up a new section of our Start menu, which is basically an unnamed group. So if we hover over, we can see we have New Group. It disappears when we hover away from it. Here we go. So what we want to do is actually give this group a name by clicking on that and typing in the name that we want to use. I'm going to name this Tools. Once done, press Enter. Great. Now we have a Tools Start menu group.